In this video, you will get point-wise speech on National Sports Day. You will know what is National Sports Day, importance of this day, importance of sports, and what is special about this year National Sports Day, which is Fit India Freedom Run. You will know how you can get a certificate from Government of India by just running a race at your own pace. National Sports Day is celebrated every year on 29 August. This day is also known as Rashtriya Khel Divas in Hindi. It is the birth anniversary of hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. He captained India's hockey team throughout his playing career. He was known for his extraordinary goal-scoring feats in addition to helping Indian hockey team to earn 3 Olympic golds. We celebrate National Sports Day to spread awareness on the importance of sports and daily physical activities in our life. On this day, the President of India gives out all sports-related awards like the Arjuna, Dronacharya and Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna to honor sportspersons and coaches who have made the nation proud of their service in their respective sports. The Indian government over the years has launched many schemes related to sports on this day, including the recent Khelo India scheme in 2018 and the Fit India campaign in 2019 under the guidance of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. These are nationwide campaigns and aims to encourage people to inculcate physical activity and sports in their everyday lives. Now, 12 points on importance of sports. Number 1. Sports, whether indoor or outdoor, are very essential for both mental health and physical health. Number 2. Sports are very important for our heart health. Number 3. A daily 30 minutes physical activity makes our heart stronger and protect us from heart diseases. Number 4. Sports reduces the amount of cholesterol and fats in the body. Number 5. Sports strengthen our lungs and escalate the lung capacity. Sports also improves the quality of bones. A person who plays sports will have strong bones even in old age. Number 7. Sports sharpen the mind. Research claims that children who play sports perform better at exams than those who don't. Number 8. Engaging in physical activities and sports benefits our immune system. It improves our immunity. Number 9. Sports bring discipline in life. It certainly teaches the value of dedication and patience. Number 10. Sports also teach us that failures are part of the success. Number 11. Sports are important in schools because it helps to teach various skills to students like leadership, patience, team efforts, and social skills. Number 12. Everyone must perform at least one sport activity on a regular basis. Now we will know what is special about this year National Sports Day and how you can get a government certificate by just running. Yes, this year Fit India movement is conducting Fit India Freedom Run from 15th August to 2nd October 2020 to encourage fitness and help us all to get freedom from obesity, laziness, stress, anxiety, diseases, etc. Because of the ongoing COVID-19 situations, it is planned that it can be run anywhere, anytime. You can get a certificate by just running a route of your choice at a time that suits you. Break up your runs. Run your own race at your pace. Track your kilometer manually or by using any tracking app available or GPS watch. After tracking your run, just go to the Indian Government Fit India website and submit your details and download the certificate. For your convenience, Fit India Freedom Run website link is given in the description box. This is the website of Fit India Freedom Run. Click on the Organize or Participate. Here, you can register yourself as an organizer or as an individual. If you want to organize Fit India Freedom Run for your organization, school or society, then register as an organizer, or else just fill your individual details with kilometers that you have run and download the certificate.